Well, hello, marathoners. Getting to be that time of year. Yes, the Fort Worth Marathon coming up next weekend, November 10th, Sunday. Now, the normal high for that date is 69. The normal low is 48. Of course, climate's what you expect, and weather is what you get. Now, this time of year, it is weather of extremes. Back in 1938, on this same date, November 10th, 86 degrees was the official high. Back in 1950, 26 degrees was the official low. So there's a spread of 60 degrees. Now, the last 10 years, when we take a look at the official highs at DFW for November 10th, you see how much variety there is in a 10-year span. From 54 degrees to the next year got up to 79. From 65 in 2011, next year it was 81. 65 showed up again. We had a couple of years in a row where it was in the 70s on this date. And look at last year, 52 degrees was the high. Now, this is the temperature probability listed by the Climate Prediction Center for that weekend and a few days beyond. And there is a slight chance of below normal temperatures. Now, I'll show you why, because this is how it looks right now. Remember, we're over a week away. We'll be updating this as we get closer to the marathon itself. But right now, it looks like as we go into the weekend, high pressure will be sitting over the Central Plains, and we'll be getting this northeast wind that brings cooler weather. And the high pressure actually will be traveling down into the Lone Star State as we go into the weekend and then starting to move off to the south. Now, there is a storm system coming through the northern tier, not here, so it looks like to be a dry weekend. Now, keep in mind, again, this is over a week away, but this is how the numbers look right now for highs. Friday, low 60s, Saturday in the 60s, 68 on Sunday. So very close to typical temperatures, just slightly below normal, as you saw earlier there in the Climate Prediction Center forecast. Well, like I said, we'll be keeping you updated here as we get closer to the marathon itself, so stay tuned onto this website for more updates.